Today, practical engineering for shipping LLM agents, cloud testing, and pipeline hygiene. We use a production Honda SMS agent, an AWS testing guide, and hands-on engineering posts to show what to move into code, what to test, and what to monitor. A Honda service advisor built a production SMS agent that answers customer questions, checks service contracts, and books appointments. It ran with real customers for months. 3 production bugs revealed the same pattern. The model made assertions code should verify. A wrong coverage verdict, an incorrect arithmetic total, and a saved booking missing a field. Most reliable agents share one shape: trigger, data, action, deliver. Trigger starts the flow. Gather the exact data the model needs. Restrict the model to a tight action signature or schema. Deliver idempotently. Engineering fixes that mattered. Move date math and pricing into code so the model presents results, but code is authoritative. Validate structured outputs server-side with a pedantic schema and independent checks. Add deterministic hallucination detectors that regex dollar amounts and verify them. Treat model self-assessments as suggestions, not final truth. Quality engineering is now cloud engineering. The common enterprise spine is GitHub triggers, code pipeline orchestrates, code build runs the work, S3 stores artifacts, CloudWatch observes, SNS notifies people. This can reduce a 4-hour suite to 15 minutes when fanned out. Small pipeline failures block releases. 4 hygiene notes. 1. Proxies can forward X forwarded for, X real IP, or forwarded headers. Use a tool like ProxyProbe to test HTTP layer leaks. 2. Debian and Ubuntu may omit ensure pip and pip on minimal images. Use getpip.py on locked, no sudo CI agents. 3. Business-aware monitoring matters. Sitebleed reports live revenue loss like $0.43 per minute, and the running total. 4. For PDFs, normalize images to a 1,600 pixel long edge. JPEG quality 82. Embed sRGB IEC 619662-2.1 and verify PDF-A with VeraPDF. On tooling and economics, a user-reported coder with Qwen 3.8 Max offering heavy discounts, 98% off in off-peak hours and 90% off in regular hours, and praised live cost breakdowns that show per task cost. Open source contributions show clear engineering wins. One contributor merged 373 PRs and fixed missing authorization checks, addressed Windows path issues by adding the extended length prefix, Y, before long absolute paths, improved resource cleanup in locks, and added dynamic capability detection for symlink tests. Small focused PRs win. Not every simple idea scales. Selection sort runs an O of n squared for comparisons and performs at most n-1 swaps. Use it when writes are costly. A WordPress theme example reduced LCP from about 4.2 seconds to under 1.8 seconds using WebP, lazy loading, and capped hero images. 3 takeaways. 1. Move verifiable logic out of prompts and into code with unit tests. 2. Add deterministic agent evals into CI and report pass rates. 3. Treat cloud and pipelines as part of your test surface and monitor business impact. All source links are in the description. They include production agent write-ups, an AWS testing guide, and engineering posts about proxies, CI, PDF pipelines, and open source fixes.